This is Treasure Hunt. We're at Rob's Mission View, just out of Hemlock, and we're going to find this one. This is up at the Nature Sanctuary of Rob's Trail, Hemlock Lake. And we just set this. Let's see, where are you hiding? Okay. Looks like I'm going down the trail for some reason. 69 feet. I'm not going down the trail. This one's going to be interesting because I don't. Okay, getting close. Okay, let's see. I got footprints over there. There we go. Really? Kind of going anywhere? 17, 15. There's a little bit of trail walking here. 22 feet, 18, 17, 19. Somewhere up in here, right? 13 feet. 4 feet. 6 feet. Back behind me. Right there. 4 feet. 6 feet. I'll have to cut this out, but here we are. Nice Ziploc bag. Put it in here 6/13, July 2016.
Somebody found it in September 15th of this year.
Huh?
September 15th of this year was the last find.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, I don't know. I got 9, 15, 18.
I just said, my app tells me September 15th of this year.
Oh, okay. Boy, 23?
What?
What's the date? 2? 3?
Oh, look, I don't know.
23rd?
Oh, look, I don't know.
Think I'd remember, huh?
23rd.
Yeah.
I hope they show back up and they ain't lost.
Who's that? You know?
You don't see a black and white kitty cat down there, do you?
Nope. They do. Lose the kitty cat on the ride?
Black and white kitty cat right here, missing on the 16th.
No. Dude, what's more than
15, I'm afraid your kitty cat's probably dead.
I know. I'll leave a couple of them in there. Well out, dude. Jesus Christ. I'm all out of business cards.
You're out?
Yep. I got one. Something like that, I can leave a couple in it. That means I can't fly up and down the watershed legally. Well, darn close. What you got? Rabbit. I see it. You better stay out of the road.
That one was two, but maybe
All right. Well,
Such big puppy
that
tails.
was, found that one, and that was it. Rob's Trail, Hemlock Lake, the Nature Sanctuary or Conservation Area.
Conservancy, which I've never even heard of.
Conservancy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next treasure hunt.